Assalamu alaikum, guys. Ramadan is almost here, and the most important reward in this month is reciting the Quran. And I am here to share you my personal way in which I've been completing one Quran every single year in the month of Ramadan, which I've been like doing since years, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, as you know, that for girls, we don't get all the 30 days to complete the Quran, so we cannot read one para every single day. Now, how I like to do it is that I don't read from the Quran. I try to read the separas, the paras that we have, 30 paras of the Quran. So I like to read it from there. So what I like to do is that I read one complete para and one fourth of the second para every single day. So in this way, I am able to complete the Quran in 24 days, and then we have 6 days spare. But I think you have to look what works best for you, because every single person has a different cycle, so you know how many days do you have in hand. If you want to complete one Quran in 20 days, then you can read one and a half para every single day. So that is what some people also do. But if you want to complete it in 24 days, then you can read one para complete and then one fourth of the second para. That is what I like to do. And I like to go by the pages. A lot of people go by rukus, or they like to do the surahs, but I like to do pages because then it is divided equally. So one para almost has around 30 pages, the one which I am reading. So if we take 30, and then 30 divided by 4 would be I think 7.5. So 7.5, so if we take 37 pages every single day, all right, so if we divide it by like 5 prayers, so you have 7 to 8 pages after every first namaz, which is literally easy, right? Because 7 to 8 pages is like very easy. So this is the way that I've been using since years, and it is working best for me. I'm not sure if it will work for you. If you have any other better ideas, please write it in the comments and help other people as well. And even I will look forward to using those techniques to complete one Quran in the month of Ramadan. But if you want to try this, you can surely go for it. I've been doing it for years and it works for me. So yeah, that's it. Allah Hafiz, take care, and let's just try to complete at least one Quran by the end of this month.